Hi Asad, this is my daily checklist video. Today I open my work started at 9 in the morning. First of all, I open my mail and check out all the mail over here. And today I try to make a video on process state for product research. It is ongoing. I cannot finish it today actually. I work on also FC Frontier. This is a scheduled work for me today. I'm working on that, and I have got some, but not set on my site. Tomorrow I will finish this, and then I set it all over there. Also work on Viber. I submitted some October 9 to November 4. Please check out over there, and what about that? You send me back it is right or wrong. So today we have a meeting and talk about many tasks about here, and you say it about our process state daily employee setup and also our setup. So I am working on that. At first I have to try to understand how to set on that file. I am working on that, and tomorrow or tomorrow next I will set it properly. So now this is all actually today's work. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.